So welcome, it's time for a little Postbag. Post has been stacking up for a while and I wanted to make a little dent by opening a few of them. 3 of them are related to each other, so I'm going to save those for last, and 3 other ones are kind of unrelated to each other, I think. We'll open these first. So the first one, it says other electronic components, which can mean a lot of things. Be careful. That didn't work. So this is an Icy Socket Adapter Programmer. At least that is how it's described on AliExpress. And I bought this for a specific purpose, mainly programming ATtinies. And the idea is you connect this cable to the header, and then you can clamp this on a chip and program it that way. I'm gonna test this out in another video, see how it works, and I'll get back to that. Next one says resistor, so I guess those are resistors. They feel like they're in a reel, so probably SMD. And they're not, they are capacitors. These are 50 pieces of surface mount capacitors. They are, well, let me get one out. So this is a 220 microfarad capacitor, 16 volts. I'm going to use these on a new version of my mini amp, which is going to be all SMD, no through-hole parts. And so I just pre-ordered a few because I needed 220 microfarads. So I have these handies when the boards show up. Next one, it says diode, which can either be diodes or resistors or capacitors, you never know. And these are some 0603 100 nanofarad capacitors. I can't read that, but it's probably not for me. I only need this bit information and that bit of information. Yeah, nothing special. They will be featured in a different video, but not now. These are the 3 related packages, again related to each other. They're all battery cases. I'm making a new version of the mini amp with an 18650 cell, and I needed some battery cases. Let's first start with these. So these are the through-hole versions of the 18650 battery case, which actually I don't need anymore. I decided that on the other side of the board, I'm also going to use an SMD type battery case. So I'm just going to put these aside and open this one. Because I do think these are, well, these are the same. Again, I ordered these before I had the idea to just use a surface mount battery case on the other side. So I hope these are the surface mount ones, because I really want to do some measuring and determine their place on the board, and just to see whether I can get a footprint in some library somewhere, or just make a footprint myself. So again, careful. There we go. So yes, these are finally some surface mount 18650 cell holders. Let me get one out. So this one looks a bit strange with this little bit sticking out, and it looks like it's pretty solid, so it maybe heat deformed or something. I don't know. Let's check out another one. They're basically the same, but maybe different quality. See, this one looks a bit better. And what I wanted to know before I ordered lots of them is whether they will fit a protected 18650 cell. If they don't, I need some extra protection circuitry on there. But if they do, I can just use a protected cell with a charge circuit and be done. So, the moment of truth. Will they fit? Well, not quite. It's a bit of a tight fit, and this will probably come loose. So maybe if I do the other side first. It's really tight. Don't want to break it. Oh. Yeah, it kind of fits. And these they're okay. There's this little thing sticking out. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe if I hold my hand like that, which I do have to account for when I'm designing the board. So yeah, they're a bit of a tight fit. Maybe the other one, so I can't get it out anymore. Oh. Maybe another one will work better. Yeah, I'm not quite happy with the quality of that, but you know, I'm just going to use the 18650 with a charge circuit around it. So when it's in, it basically doesn't have to come out. Let's try that again. Just clamp it in. It's a tight fit, and the plus side is a bit prone to come off. But yeah, kind of fits. So yeah, it's of course it's from China, so the tolerances on the case are a bit larger than you might get from like Farnell or DigiKey or another supplier, but it does fit, and I'm happy with it. So now I can measure this out, design a footprint for it, and start designing my new board. So this is today's Postbag, just a few items. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.